friends, welcome to Lakshmi YouTube. Today I am sharing how to make jaggery bonda. For this, first we have to mash the jaggery. You can see here I am mashing the jaggery. Now take this jaggery into a bowl. Now add a glass of water and let it soak for half an hour, so that the jaggery completely dissolve in the water. Now the jaggery syrup is ready. Now we'll strain the jaggery juice. The jaggery syrup is ready. To this add wheat flour or atta flour. Generally we made chapatis, so I am using that flour only. Add the wheat flour till the syrup completely becomes a thick paste. You can see here I am adding the atta flour. Mix well. You can see the consistency. It should be like this. It should be thick. Mix well with the hands, or if you have a whisk, you can whisk completely. Now the jaggery and wheat flour batter is ready. To this add a pinch of salt and half tablespoon of baking soda. Now mix well all the ingredients well. Here I am using hands. We should mix well so that the bondas will come soft. Now the jaggery and wheat flour completely mixes with the salt and baking soda. Now the batter is ready. Keep aside for 15 minutes. Now heat oil in the pan. Now put the jaggery wheat flour dumplings, small dumplings, into the hot oil and let them deep fry till it becomes golden color. Now you can see all the jaggery wheat flour balls are ready. Take them on a paper plate and serve. Don't fry on high flame. On medium flame we should fry them so that inside part also will be cooked. Now the jaggery bonda is ready. You can see. Serve them with red chilli chutney. I will show how to serve this. Here I am making red chilli onion chutney. Take a blender, add garlic, onion, salt and red chilli powder. Add little water and blend them. Now you can see the red chilli onion chutney is ready. Now serve this jaggery bonda with red chilli chutney. This will be very tasty with this combination. Sweet and spicy combination. You can see here I am eating, and the inside part also cooked well. This combination will be very tasty. Serve this in the evening as snacks. In this monsoon season, this jaggery bonda can be stored for 2 days. Do try this tasty jaggery bonda and let me know your comments. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.